Hey guys, so this is the word problem of the GNAW problem. No, yeah. So let's start. So you are on a road trip and have your car on cruise control for 4 hours. You travel at 60 minutes per hour, and that's how far have you traveled? I don't know why I did not put a question mark right there. So I kind of made a mistake. So the miles per hour, which would be right on the side, and then hours would be right here. So these are, so 1 through 4 is hours, right? So they said you had your car on cruise control for 4 hours. Can't really, my marker's not working. And then you travel at 60 miles per hour, which means miles per hour is right here. 60 would be right here. So this is where the line is going. It's kind of predicting where you are. So 60 and it's reaching at 4. Yeah. This would be 5 right here. This would be 5 right here, but it's basically continuing. So let's make an equation. All right. So we have 60 miles, right? So 60 mi, and then over hour times by 4 hours over 1. So 60 times 4 is 240, and this is basically how many miles you have. This is how far you have traveled, and this is your answer for this problem. Hey guys, so this is the GNAW portion. This is the numeric portion of the GNAW problem, and so this is the problem we're going to be solving. So the rate at which water is being pumped into a tank is given by the continuous and increasing function R times T. So R times T would be gallons per minute, as located right here. A table of selected values of R times T for the time interval 0 less than T less than 12 minutes is given below. So this is a table we're going to have to focus on. So instead of doing a graph, we can also make a graph from the table. So we're going to have to be using the right Riemann sum with 4 subintervals. All right. So let's try doing that, okay? So we can let's make a graph of the table we have right here so we can see a clear view of a picture. So my lines are not straight at all. I apologize about that. So let's do 3, 6, 9, and 12, and then 7, 13, 18, 23, 27, okay? Let's write that down. 3, 6, 9, 12. Now, just to make sure that you guys understand is that this portion is the minutes, right? It's time and minutes. So this would be the minutes, and then this would be the gallons per minute. I can't really fit it in there, but basically this would be the gallons per minute, and that would equal to gallons, okay? Because gallons per minute, and then you do minute over hour, which equals to gallons, okay? Just to clear that out of the way. So now let's try making a data of this. So 7 is just 0, 3, 13, 6, 18, 9, 23, and 12, 27. So you see how it's like a really straight line? I don't know if I can do straight right here. Okay, maybe that's fine enough. Okay, so we have a straight line right here. All right. Now, let's try doing the right Riemann sum. Okay. So, well, here we have what? We can try making 4 subintervals by going this and this. See, we're going the right way, and then you can kind of see like a pattern right here. 6, and then all the way to the 9th, and then right here. See, we have area 1, area 2, area 3, and area 4. Now, in order to find those areas, we have to solve it, right? So let's try solving by organizing them. So we have basically 3 in between, right? Plus 3, and then plus 3, and then plus 3, right? Because this is 0. 0 plus 2 is 3. So let's try solving. So 3 times what? 13. 3 times 18. 3 times 23. And then last but not least, 3 times 27. And for my calculations, this is equal to what, 39, 54, 69, and 81. Now let's add them all together. Okay, so this would equal to 243, and this is your area, and this is your answer for this problem. Hey guys, so we are doing the GNAW problem, and this is the algebraic portion of this. So it says integral's lower limit is equal to 0, so we have to basically transform this. And yeah, okay. So what you do is that you use this S thing, I forgot what it's called, but we're gonna go with it for now. Okay, so basically it says that the lower limit is 0, which means that A is 0. Okay, and then let's see here. So I think pi over n, you see how, you know how you get the answer from doing b minus a over n, and this is basically what we got here. So this would be pi as b. Okay, this is b, by the way, not 6. Now we finish it off by using cosine. As I see, I have cosine right here, and I think that's pretty much it. It's cosine x times by dx, and this is basically your answer for this problem. Hey guys, so this is the graphic portion of the GNAW problem, and we will be talking about the left Riemann sum. Okay, so the left Riemann sum consists of basically intervals that we have to graph, or not graph, but like make blocks and find the area of that graph. So that's what we're gonna do in this problem. So this is the left Riemann sum, and it says on the interval 2a, use 3 sub-intervals. So what we're gonna have to do is that we're gonna have to make blocks trying on the left side, like going on the left part, okay? So for example, we'll make sections, okay? Let's start a section at 2, let's start a section at 4, and let's start a section at what? At 8 maybe? Okay. So, so on, because we need 3, right? So let's do that at 3, okay? So what we can do is we can start at 8, okay? So we have to stop at a certain point. So let's stop at right here, because there would actually be a grid point, you know what I mean? But since there's no grid point, we're gonna have to guess our squares here. So this is one point right here, and then we're gonna have to go a little bit up right here to reach this point, and then we'll go down. This is not really straight, I'm sorry guys. And then we'll have to go touching this point right here. It'll be right here, and then go down all the way. So we have 3 sub-intervals, okay? 3 rectangle, right? So we have area 1, area 2, and area 3. So in order to find areas of how to find those is that basically we are moving what? 2 times, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. So basically 2 is the base of all of this, okay? Now in parentheses we have to include where it's stopping at. So this is stopping at 6, right? So this area 1 would be at 6, which is 12. Area 2 is stopping at 8, which would be 16. And area 3, sorry, is also stopping at 6. So this is equal to 12. So 12, okay, my bad guys. So area equals to 12 plus 16 plus 12 is equal to 40. And this is your answer for this problem.